All right, welcome back, Bug. So let's destroy this wall. Oh no, our robot. Okay. And we're gonna restart from right here, but remember, we're not only just gonna build the first wall, we're gonna build the second, third, and fourth. And the second, third, and fourth wall are literally gonna be the same thing, but just a little different. So let's get started. All right, go to edit, go to your program, and we're gonna create a function for this. Let's see. Restart. No. Okay. Empty. No. House. Okay. And we're gonna call it function walls 3, because that is what we're gonna do. Okay. And then we're gonna go. How do we start it? So it's similar to this right here. We're gonna go back at the beginning. So we're gonna go back. So turtle dot back, and then we're gonna actually no, we're not gonna go back. Yes, no, we're not gonna go back. Okay, so we're gonna turn right, and actually let me guide you through the steps. So exit out of that for a second. Okay, so let's say we built our first wall right here, right? And then we've come back right here. So now we turn left, right? We go forward once, and then we start building up. So we select right here, and we're like, okay, place the block, and then we go up one and build it, and then go up, and then we're gonna go back and build as we go back, and then we're gonna go down, and I'll show you exactly what I mean here. All right, so turtle dot turn right, then we're gonna go forward one, so forward turtle dot forward, and then we're gonna start building up. So how do we build up? We can use a function that we already made, and it's going to be, what's it called? It's going to be build up. So it's going to be up B. So we're going to place a block, then go up, and lastly place another block. Okay, so up B. Up B, and then what we want to do is we want to go back and build as we go back. And let's say we're right here, let's say we're already on top, right? So then there's a block right here in front of us, and then we want to go back first and then place something in front of us, and then so forth and so forth. And we want to do this at least 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we're going to go for I equals 1 comma 4, do the following, and it would be turtle dot place, actually no, we go back first, then we place turtle dot place end, and then from there we would go down, and we would go down and place things. See, let's only do, no, that's fine. Okay, we go down and build, but we don't want to use the down B because we would already have a block in front of us. So we can do something like this. So we can be, okay, for I equals 1 comma 2, do the following, which is turtle dot down, turtle dot down, and then turtle dot place, and then end right here. And we only have to place 2 blocks because remember the length of our height is 3 blocks. So we already have one here. We'd go down, place another block, and then go down and place another block. So that's why we would only use a for loop with 2. We could have, okay. And then that would be it for the second wall. And because we're going to do 3 of these walls, we can do a for loop. But before that, we need to go back into place. So let's see. If we're right here, right here, we could go, let's see, right, forward, left, and then 2. Actually, no, we would be right here. So we would go right, forward, and then left, and then 2, and then left. Okay, so let's do that. So then turtle dot turn right, turtle dot forward, turtle dot turn left, then turtle dot forward. And how many times do we go? 1, 2, 3. So we can do a for loop here, make it easier. For I equals 1, comma 3, do turtle dot forward end, and then we would turn left. Turtle dot turn left, and let's close that out. Okay, and that would build our first wall. So we're gonna call this function here inside the house. So where are house? Okay, so we're gonna build the first wall and then the second wall. Walls 3, and we're gonna do this one 3 times, but we're just gonna test it out with 1 just to see if it'll work. Turn, or actually, because we know after we finish building the first wall, it'll return to the starting point. We can just call this function and see if it'll work. So let's go back here, take this out, and call the right function, which would be walls 3, like that. Make sure we have materials here. And at least for now, in the walls 3, we need to make sure that we have materials to actually place. So turtle dot select 1. All right, control save, control exit, and let's get started. All right, so let's do that, and then house. Okay, good. All right, then go down. Good. All right, cool. It worked. We built our second wall, and now we're going to do that 3 more times. So let's delete this, and let's build it from the first step, and then build our 3 walls. And then in the next video, I'll show you how to do the last wall. So go in here, put it right here, okay? We're gonna go edit, home, go down, okay. We're gonna call the house, and this is gonna build the first and then the last 3 walls, and the first 4 walls. And remember, we want this to be called 3 times. So for I equals 1, comma 3 do then end, then save, and then exit, and let's give it the actual materials it needs right here, and then let's call the program and see if it builds everything. Okay. Okay, goes back and goes forward. All right, and it's building the second wall of the house. Now it's going to go back to its original spot, then start building again. Okay. Great, it's built the third wall. Now it's building the fourth wall. Gonna go back to its original place. Okay, cool. So we got a little makeshift shack, and then we're gonna do the fourth wall here, and then we're gonna place a little bed here and some lights and a door, and we will almost be done. All right, cool. Very proud. All right, until next time, Bug. Hope that helped, and let me know if you have any questions and comments. Yeah, the comments, not message. Comments only. All right, bye. Or, tell your mom to tell me. All right, bye.